All right, here we are in the rain. We had to do some more storm work. We got this big old pine tree right here, kind of failed. She's laying down on the other side pretty good. I'm up on the roof now helping Talon. But we gotta get all that out of there, this whole tree down, get rid of that pine back there. And then we got these limbs coming up over the house pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and pull these off, give her a little more room to breathe.
Yeah, we out here, everyone.
There we are. There's the man.
Nice little skirt done. We're gonna raise this dead up, get some of these green limbs off, minimize the needles on the house. No problem. We out here.
Let's get that all nice and cleaned up.
Yep.
Stormy day out here in Gold Beach. We are right on the coast. Our property is across the way here, but that's the ocean out there that you can't see with all that darkness. I can zoom you in a little. It's a stormy day, so we're out here getting stuff done. That's all right. So, more to come later.
We out here, everybody. Getting these little dead limbs off here, getting this skirt raised up, no problem. It beat me out of the radio because it's Bluetooth to my phone, so that's annoying. But that's okay. Oh, my dad's still on the radio? Are you on the radio, Jarrett? Oh, perfect. Right on, everybody. We're getting her done. Little pile of brush there. We'll get that pine dealt with in a minute. Perfect.
Does that look like a cone?
Dad, green cone.
Did that look like a cone with my hood on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn around, please. Where's my dad? Where's my dad? Hey, we left the cone up here on the roof, guys.
That's funny.
Yeah, here we're limbs, everybody. It's like half snowing, half rain, whatever. That's cool. It's freaking freezing out here.
It is freezing.
Freaking bird. Oh, this is a hinge, baby. Is it free yet? Where is everybody? Yeah, we got these couple dead sticks here. We'll get the rest of them stubs off. Perfect. Got the electric saw. Dad, let me use the electric saw today?
Yeah, I did.
Crazy.
This all sucks.
Unbelievable, everybody. Alright, everybody. We got that skirt done real quick over there, back there. We're out here working this pine down now. Half of it broke out. Get the other half out of here. It's all gonna roll off these bushes just nicely. Perfect. A whole bunch of busted chip. A couple of tip loads to dump. Perfect. We out here, everybody, getting her done, son. Oh, got the old selfie ribbon today. Perfect. There he is, everybody.
Going in the tree.
Perfect. Got that brush chipped up. Sick.
Yeah. Up in this beautiful tree. Taking out some pine. Always get the fun ones. Here he comes. Here comes my son. Here comes my son. There is my son.
My dad getting video.
Look at son.
That's my dad.
Love ya. No, you don't want this garbage. This pine tree.
We out here. Got that pine dealt with. Got that skirt dealt with. Just stuff now. There's the skirt there. There's that stub. We're just gonna pull it over and haul the wood. Hey everybody. Back cutting this stub now. Alright everybody, there it is. Got that pine out. Got freebie loaded up full of wood. The rest of the wood's in the freaking dump bed. We'll take it to the dump. Stupid pine wood. Nice. They're all dealt with. Got the skirt all dealt with. Got a nice little cleanup too. Perfect. Right on, everybody. We out here. Got that job done.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We out here.
We out here. JJ and Sons, where all your tree care needs are met. That's it. That should be good. Thanks for watching.